Stop scrolling. You are looking at a literal mansion built on the back of a semi-truck. This isn't CGI, it's a multi-story Victorian palace on wheels. With Gothic architecture, private balconies, and an endless row of heavy-duty tires. This is the most insane mobile estate ever conceived. Stick around because what's inside this rolling castle will blow your mind. Just look at the scale of this machine. It features multiple levels, classic wooden entrance doors with custom staircases, and intricate architectural framing that mimics a multi-million-dollar estate. How does a truck carry an entire building? Through heavy-duty multi-axle engineering designed to bear architectural weight on the move. Pulling this massive palace requires serious muscle. Up front, a high-torque modern prime mover handles the colossal load. With custom chrome detailing and heavy-duty towing capacity, it acts as the anchor for a structure that weighs as much as a small commercial building. Step inside, and you forget you're on a vehicle entirely. The upper level features a grand ballroom with vaulted ceilings, crystal chandeliers, and classic hardwood floors. Massive arched windows wrap around the space, giving you panoramic views of whatever landscape your rolling castle happens to park next to. Need a quiet place to read? The mansion includes a full-sized mahogany library complete with a traditional fireplace. Every room is built with real wood and authentic materials, proving that luxury doesn't have to stay in one place. It can travel with you anywhere in the world. Step out onto your private second-floor balcony to enjoy your morning coffee, while overlooking a secluded green meadow or a private estate. It's a surreal experience, standing on a porch that moves across the country, combining the freedom of travel with the permanence of a luxury home. Hosting a dinner party? No problem. The formal dining hall accommodates guests in classic European style. With fine upholstery, custom lighting, and a kitchen hidden just behind the wood paneling, you can host elite gatherings in the middle of nowhere. Keeping a structure like this stable on uneven ground is an engineering marvel. Beneath the luxury lies a heavy-duty industrial chassis with multiple reinforced axles and custom hydraulic stabilizers, ensuring the mansion's structure never twists or cracks while in motion. When this rolling estate arrives at its destination, it commands the landscape like a medieval fortress. Parked on a private meadow or a country estate, it transforms instantly from a heavy transport vehicle into an immovable monument of luxury living. The Victorian Land-Palace breaks every rule of what a vehicle can be. It is a fusion of old-world architecture and modern heavy transport. Would you live in a rolling mansion like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more impossible engineering giants.